Hi there, hope you have a fantastic day today. This lesson I will teach you how to calculate and predict the dividend yield. Of course, there is a PDF file versions on the description below for you to download so you can work with me. Otherwise, let's go straight into it. There are so many strategies when investing in shares. Some investors like to buy these shares that is high growth. So this means that the company either pay very little dividends or no dividend at all because the company use its profit to expand their business. Some investors prefer to buy the company that have good dividend yield. The dividend usually pay out twice a year. Now to work out the dividend yield is equal to annual dividend over the market share price times by 100%. So let's go through a couple examples. This is the dividend record for Telstra company. So you can see 2019, 28th of August and 26th of February 2020. So this means that it is the financial years for 2020. Just in case you're not sure, financial years is always start from 30th June to the following year, 30th June. So this is the financial year. So you can see that last year, which is 2020, the paid out is 8 cents and 8 cents. So that is altogether is 16 cents. So therefore, to work out the dividend yield, so we know that the market price is $4.18. So to work out the dividend yield, so we use the annual dividend over the market share price. So therefore, dividend yield is equal to dividend that is 16 cents over the market share price. So the market share price is 418 cents times by 100%. So that will give me, so I just go 16 over 418 and times by 100 as the button. So 3.8277 and so on, which is round up to 2 decimal places, okay? So 3.83%. So 3.83%. So there you go. So if I want to invest in Telstra share right now at this $4.18, I can use this calculation to predict my dividend yield return for my investment. Doesn't mean that I will get 3.18% return for 2021. That's just a prediction for my investment because we do not know what happened in the future. So we can only predict. Of course, when you're investing in shares, you not only focus on the dividend yield, you also need to study the share price history record and the balance sheet record to minimize our risk and maximize our investment return. Second example. So this is the dividend record for Commonwealth Bank. So you can see from 15th of August to 13th of February. So 2018 and 2019. So this is the financial year for 2019. So the dividend payout is, so if we add them up, so that is $4.31. Okay, so that is for 2019. And for 2020, so August of 19 and February of 20th, so that's a financial year for 2020. So the dividend is, we add them up, so that is $4.31. For 2021, the company only pay $1.50 dividend. So this means that the company made less profit in 2021. This is due to COVID-19 outbreak. So to work out the dividend yield for 2021, so we just use the dividend over the market share price. So let me just write it down. So that is equal to the dividend. So annual dividend is $1.50. So that is $1.50 over the market share price. So that is $101. And we times by 100%. So that will give me, so just go 1.5 over 101. And we times by 100. So there you go. So 1.49%. Okay, so correct to 2 decimal place. There you go. The dividend yield for 2021 for Commonwealth Bank is 1.49%. Last one. After Taylor bought 600 shares at $8.50 each share, the company declared dividend yield of 3.4%. Calculate the total dividend that Taylor receives. To work this out, first of all, we need to work out the value of shares first for Taylor, and then we just work out 3.4% of that, okay? So each share is $8.50, and Taylor has 600 shares, so we just times by 600. So that will give me, so we just go 600 times 8.5. So that is $5,100. So that is how much Taylor has in the company. So now to work out the dividend, so she only get 3.4% of that. So that means 5,100 times by 3.4%. Percent mean per 100. Like that will give me, so let's just go answer times 3.4 per 100. So there you go, $173.40. Or you can work out 3.4% of $8.50 first. That will give Shara the dividend for each share. And she has 600 shares, so we just times by 600. So let me just write this down. Or $8.50 we times by 3.4%. That is equal to, so 8.5 times 3.4. So that is $0.289 or 28.9 cents. I'm going to write everything down because this is not my final answer, okay? So that is 0.289. This means that every share should get paid 28.9 cents and she has 600 shares. So the total payout for Sarah is 600 times 28.9 cents. So I just go answer times 600. There you go, $173.40. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.